2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.